Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name remains Rukewe and thank you for watching Rock. On today's video, we'll be making this beautiful bubu dress, a slash and spread bubu dress, and with ruffles underneath it. So we'll be showing you how I made the collar, how I made the dress, but this video right now is going to show you how I made the pattern for the dress. Yes guys, just the pattern and the cutting of the dress. On our next video, we'll be showing you how we join the dress, the neck, the sleeve, and the ruffles. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please guys, we really appreciate it if you like our video, and if you subscribe, please comment below whatever you think you need us to improve on our video. We really appreciate your honest opinion. Thank you so much guys. Come along and let's begin. Okay guys, let's begin. Today we'll be making this beautiful dress, but before we do that, we have to make the pattern. So this part one of this video is the pattern for the dress, then the part two of the video is the sewing tutorial of the dress, how we join and stitch the dress. So let's begin. This is the shoulder. We're cutting in the same way we cut our bubu dress. So our shoulder is 16 divided by 2 is 8. Then we get the length of our dress. So the length of the dress I'm using is 22 inches. So I mark 22 inches here. Then I came from the shoulder down to the waist. The waist length is 17. So using 17 inches. Insert your half length for the waistline. Then draw a line across. So for us to get the armhole line, divide your bust circumference by 6 plus 1.5. After dividing it, we have 8.5. So you mark it 8.5. From the waist, to get our hip measurement, take it down and mark 9 inches. Let's insert our body measurement. We don't necessarily need this. I just decided to put it for guide. I'm coming down by 1 inch. Then this place I'm taking in for the neckline, so I'm taking 3 inches. So I'm taking my ruler. Then I'll come down by 10 inches. Then let's insert our waist measurement. You divide your waist by 4. I'm using 40 inch for my waist, so mark 10 inch. After dividing 40 by 4 gives me 10 inch. Then you add 5 inch. Then you come down to the hip line. For the hip line, divide your hip by 4. Mine is 11.5. Mark 11.5, then add another 5 inch. So take your ruler and connect the lines. Don't forget to give it a curve down here. Then go to your shoulder line. Draw a slant line from your shoulder down to the depth of your sleeve. Sorry guys, I was not able to show you the part, but remember to do that when doing your own pattern. Then give it a curve down, just make it curvy, and connect your waist down to your hip, from your hip down to your hemline. You can make it curvy just like the way I did mine, or you can just make it straight. It all depends on how you want yours to be. For the neck, we use 3 inches here. Then this is the back pattern. Come down by 2. Then you use your pattern master. After you are done with this, if you want to do it if you want it to be tight, you come this way and do it this way. Guys, if you want the sleeve to be this big and you want the dress to be tight, like fitted, do the same thing. Guys, if you want it to be fitted, guys, I just do it this way. Okay guys, this is the pattern. We use this to cut back and front. But this is the back neckline. So after cutting the back and front together, you will now separate it and cut out your front neckline. So when we are done with that, we can now do whatever design you want to do. So if you want to just make a short bubu dress, this is the pattern for you. If you want to make a bubu dress with gathers underneath it, this is the pattern that you use. This pattern now you can use it to do so many dresses instead of drafting every time, because bubu dress is a bit big. So this is size 16. For those who are size 16, this is the measurement I use for them. So this is the bust, this is the waist, and this is the hip line. So for those who are size 16, this is what I use for them. So let's cut it out, guys. So guys, this is it. I finished cutting it out, cut out the neck and cut out the sleeve. So I want to do the slash and spread that I'm talking about. I want it to be a bit big. Then when I finish sewing it, you use your belt to tie it together. You can wear it anyhow you want to wear it. So I'm making it a bit big from the waist. So the sleeve will remain the same. I'm going to slash and spread the other part of the dress. For the slash and spread, you can just take your tape and find the midpoint between. This is 15. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. So you mark your 7.5 here and take your ruler. Do a straight line down, all the way down to the length that you want it. So I want mine to stop after the hip. So let me show you what I'm talking about. The length of this dress, of this pattern paper, is 35. The line you are drawing depends on the length of your dress. So draw your line from the waist down to where you want it to stop. Mine stopped at the end of my pattern paper. Then you take your scissors and separate it. So you can do it in two ways. You can either cut it this way and slant it this way, or you cut it this way and slant it this way. So what I'm doing is taking it this way. So you take it on you just take it like this on the fabric. Then you can do the same thing to this. You spread it. So when you put your fabric, you just spread it this way. You spread it this way. You get right. So it's open. You just spread it from this to this. Then you cut it out. This is the pattern. This is what I'm talking about. So you can see from here all the way, just cut it out, then you've gotten it. So when you are done, guys, after you finish cutting out your pattern, remember I told you you can use this in different way. You take your tape and tape it out, just tape it, join it together, then you can use this to cut out your bubu dress or your kaftan dress, cut together with the sleeve. So you do same thing. So but if you want it to be a bit bigger, slash and spread like what I am doing now, you just open it, remove the tape, open it and do your design. So guys, let me show you how. Let me take it to my fabric and cut it out, then show you how it looks after cutting it out. Okay guys, this is it. I've placed it on my fabric, then I want to cut it out. So you start from the neck, cut out the neck. I've cut it out. I want to close it now. I'm done with the design I made. So take your tape, masking tape, whatever tape that you have, and close it. You say it. So whenever you are done and you want to, let's say you want to sew a bubu dress, you just take it out and just use to sew, cut out your bubu dress. You don't need to do your pattern for a size 16 if you are making a dress for a size 16. But if it's not a size 16, this is a size 16 dress, so this is what I'm going to use if I want to make for a size 16. But if you are, it just depends on the size. You can do this for any size of your choice. So let's take it out. This is our dress. You see, it is beautiful, right? So you take, this is our dress. Let's cut out to the front. So this front, take it and give it a notch. So you'll be able to identify the neck. Start giving it a notch. Come this way. For the neck, I'm coming down by 8 inches. So from here, mark your 8 inches. Then you take your ruler. And join it. If you've watched my previous video, it's not so difficult for you to understand. It's exactly the same way I cut the dress for the previous video, but this one we use our pattern to create the dress, so that we can use the pattern to make different type of bubu dress. I don't know if you can see it, my shock line is not that. So this is it. You take your ruler, draw it down same way. I'm using this same material to turn out the neckline and for the sleeve and the gathers. So this is the neckline, guys. Same material that you're using and turn it out for the sleeve, same for both sides. Then you join it, join the side. When I'm done, I'm going to show you how it looks. Then we'll create a belt that you use to tie it or wear it free. The second part of the video will be how I sew the dress. Okay guys, after stitching and joining the sides and everything, this is how it looks. Isn't it beautiful? Look at the ruffles, guys. Thank you so much. Please guys, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell below. Thank you.